January 31st, 2000, a day that would forever scar the annals of aviation history. Alaska Airlines Flight 261, a seemingly routine journey, was about to transform into a nightmare. Imagine being thousands of feet above the Pacific Ocean, the world a canvas of blue beneath you. Now, picture that tranquility shattered by a relentless battle against an unseen enemy. That's what the crew of Flight 261 faced. The aircraft, an MD-83, began to behave erratically. A simple stabilizer issue, a common problem in aviation, was about to become a death sentence. The pilots fought desperately, their voices etched with fear and determination in the cockpit voice recorder. But the plane was a wounded bird, its wings defiant against the invisible force pulling it down. In a heart-stopping descent, Flight 261 vanished into the ocean, claiming the lives of all 88 souls on board. The world was stunned. How could a modern airliner, a symbol of safety and progress, succumb to such a catastrophic failure? The investigation unveiled a chilling truth. Lax maintenance, shortcuts taken in the name of profit, and a corporate culture that prioritized speed over safety had created a ticking time bomb. The stabilizer's jack screw, a critical component, had worn down due to neglect. It was a mechanical failure, yes, but more importantly, it was a failure of responsibility. The tragedy of Flight 261 became a catalyst for change. Aviation safety protocols were overhauled, maintenance standards were tightened, and a culture of accountability was instilled. It was a bitter pill to swallow, but from the ashes of disaster, a safer sky emerged. Today, as we soar through the heavens, let us remember the 88 lives lost on Flight 261. Their sacrifice was not in vain. It is a stark reminder that aviation safety is not a privilege, but a paramount responsibility.